Good morning, everybody. Sanbonani, Absheng, Dumelang, Khotong, Molweni. I trust everybody is well. I'm just going to speak English because we speak different languages. So I would like us to have common understanding that I'm going to be saying. Family, this is what is happening. I know I see other people, they are voting correctly. Other people, they are still struggling to understand how the voting is done. The voting is done like this. In your poster, you see there are bundles, which is like if you are wanna vote for 50 votes, then that is 50 rand. For 100 votes, that's 100 rand. That is the system that we are using now because the artists they've asked for that from the previous annual because they were tired SMS thing because we used to vote with the SMS 1 rand 50, then we buy you pressing one SMS send. So we did this type of a bundle voting for the convenience of the artists. Okay, now this is how you do it. If you vote for yourself or you wish to vote for anybody, you if you have got a Capitec app, you go there and then you put the account number. There where it says beneficiary reference, you write the code, maybe the code of the person, or maybe your code is 999. I'm making an example. Where it is written a beneficiary statement, you put your code. That is how we know that those are your votes. You do not put your name. Where it's written beneficiary, I repeat, where it is written beneficiary statement, beneficiary, something like that, that is when you put under that beneficiary, then a beneficiary reference, yes, you put that your code. And again, some people maybe they think that voting has not started. On the 13th of June, we are having a nominee announcement. On the 13th of June, we are having a nominee announcement. And in that nominee announcement, that is when, like now, as we are in the nominee phase, at the nominee announcement, it's where we find out who have made it to the top 5 in the categories that are going to the final. So if you're not voting for yourself now, don't be surprised there at the nominee announcement to find out that, okay, you have been having a poster, but just because you didn't vote and then you didn't make it to the top 5, then you are not going to the awards. You are not going to the main event because you see these votes you are having now that are going to be qualifying you to the main event are the same votes you are going to carry with to the final phase. Let me repeat that part. As you are voting now, you are voting for the nominee phase to make it to the top 5 of each and every category. And now, if you make it to the top 5 to that category, those votes, asizilahli, those votes you are carrying with them, you are carrying with them to the final phase. I hope that part is clear. And lastly, you are allowed to vote for yourself. You are allowed to vote for yourself. And you must ask your family, your friends, and then your friends to also support. Your communities must also support, because at the end of the day, when you do win the award, you're not only winning it for yourself as a brand, you are winning it for your community as well, because that is it. Because I don't want to lie, I'm not praising these awards because I am the founder. They do open opportunities a lot, and then I can give you countless references. They do open opportunities a lot. And then that is also good for artist acknowledgement as well. When it comes to bookings, when you've got an Matma award, even your rate changes. I'm being honest, you can ask those who have won before. And then we do have our PRO. Our PRO does not only assist artists now that you are participating in the competition, even when you have won, our PRO our PRO helps you with the radio interviews, with newspaper articles, things like that. And then at the nominee announcement, you're also gonna have a workshop whereby you are taught on how to deal with things like Sambro, how to deal with things like DistroKids for your music to be online, digital stores like that. And then there's a lot that you learn for being a participant of Matma. I wish you nothing but the best. Stay blessed, all of you. If ever anybody has got any question, please do not be afraid to contact me directly. Rautlwana, Rankushisha, Sizwana, Siavana, Rautlwana. Okay. You'll forgive me about other languages, but I love all the languages. Thank you. And also, those who do not bank with Capitec, they can go to the ATM and then they can do the deposit there. What is more important there is that there by the beneficiary reference is the code. Even if you go to the ATM, even if you are using another bank to do an EFT, it's the same thing. Do not forget the beneficiary reference. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best still. Mina ngizonibona ngeyi-13 zikaJune. Ngizonibona ngeyi-13 zikaJune eJohannesburg. Ababa bazokwazile ukuthi babe khona ukuthi sikwazi ukubona ukuthi did we make it to the final phase or not. Siyabonga.